It's self-care time, and I definitely needed to do some self-care, okay? First, we're gonna start off with me taking care of my nails. I'm gonna clip them, file them, and give them a nice little hardening coat. I had birthday nails on, so honestly, my nails are very weak. So this little hardening coat is what's gonna bring it right back to life. And this is from Sally Hansen. Look at that shine, look at that glow. This is exactly why I love the hardening coat. It is not a clear nail polish, it is a nail hardener, okay? But it does give me a nice shine. Another staple in my self-care routine is gonna be my Fenty Cookies and Clean skincare mask. As you can see, I really enjoyed this mask. I use it anytime I really want to just feel at peace and relaxed, and I feel like it really does a good job of pulling the impurities out of my skin. It has like a creamy consistency, which I really like, that goes along well with the cookies and clean kind of like theme. After I apply that to my face, I leave it sit for about 15 minutes, wipe and rinse it off, and then I'm good to go. And this is how much I used. Next up, I'm going in with my Winky Luxe lip scrub. Honestly, I really don't know how I feel about it, but we're going. My last step of the night was the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I did a couple drops on my face, patted that in, and I was good to go. After everything was said and done, I put Vaseline on my lips and went to bed. Good night.